how to add wishlist in Blinkit. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do this. First of all, open the application. So now I'm in my home page. Here you can browse through different products. Here on the top, you can directly search for the product that you're looking. Now here, simply tap on the product. So these are the product details. Now, in order to add them to the wish list, here on the right top, you can see this love icon. In each product, there's a love icon. Simply tap on this love icon, and as you can see, this has been added to your wish list. Now later, you can directly check it. In order to check the wish list, here on the right top, tap on your profile icon, and here there's a section called Your Wish List. Simply tap on it. So this is the place where all the wish lists will be located. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.